Many times I get this question that how we can improve our reading skills, what are the techniques, and I would like to share today the three things which you can use to improve your IELTS reading or any kind of reading. The first thing is I recommend that you should read the newspaper, because in newspaper you have enormous amount of news, ideas, and different things, and I always like to share. I always like to read it so that I get the most of the ideas from the real world, and it helps me a lot actually. The second thing is what I recommend is that you should start any TV series or watching any web series with subtitles, or watch news. By it you can improve your listening as well as reading skills. And the third thing I would like to say that you should read a book according to your interest. It will improve your sentence formation, and you can have a knowledge about various sentence structures.